Hey everyone, Ray from Razorworks. I'm getting ready to tack and weld these lugs on that I made. As promised, here's my setup. Not a whole lot to explain there. It's pretty evident as what's going on. The only thing is that I wanted to make the head basically flush with the bottom of the parent metal here. So I just grabbed a piece of 3/8 material, and it's just just a hair bit taller, thicker than the head is, but that's okay. And I cut that out to clear the corner, obviously. And so you set this up here and flush that out like I've done, and a couple of vice grips, and we're off and running. So, kind of the bum thing that happened is I just discovered that my other welding hood has an auto lens in it, and it has the big opening in the helmet, and it helps me as far as my vision is concerned, because that's the only thing that that's really bothering me now as far as my welding is concerned, is that I can't see where the damn. So just to let you guys know that I actually can weld, and I do weld, even though I can't see. This is pretty much my tire right here. So one glove, and pretty much line everything up. I've got the welder cranked up right now in the high mode, because this is 3/4 of an inch thick block, and you can see my plate here is 3/8 of an inch. So that's some pretty good metal right there that can be able to withstand a fair amount of heat. So I'm just going to go ahead and tack this thing on here and hope for the best. So my wire feed is probably a little bit too high right now. And Boo Boo just loves it when I do some welding. So I'm going to turn my my wire feed down here just a touch. And I've been doing this stuff for so long that I can tell if everything is everything. And that's pretty close right there. It's probably still a little bit fast. Get them, boobers. Okay, I got enough tacks on here that I can take this one off. Oh yeah, that's pretty good right there. Okay, you guys, so here we go. Calm down, boobers. Yeah, wire feed's still a little bit fast. Let me turn it down. Okay, try this. Okay, that's actually I think something's going on with my gun. It's not helping me any. So we'll I just cranked the wire feed back up just a hair to see what happens on this side. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad for a guy that can't see anymore. And we're gonna finish it off right there. This is actually the first time I painted in my painting, welded, painted, yes, welded in my paint booth, but I don't really have a whole lot of options here as far as space and able to get it up off the ground like it is right now. So that's pretty much it. Let me grab a wire brush real quick here, and we'll dust that thing off here. I don't know if we're going to be able to see the inside of this thing, but looks pretty good. Okay, so we're going to get the camera a little bit closer to things. Sorry guys, I got my cord is hooked up to it right now also, but let me reduce this down. So down here on the bottom, my wire is too fast, and I've got what we call a ropey bead, which I hate. I'm probably going to wind up grinding that out and redoing it, to be honest with you. But here's the inside, and see this side came out much better. So anyway, that's just to show you that I do weld, and I can weld still. So I got to do the top one here. I got to get all the primer. This side's primered. But get all that and clean that up, and go ahead and get the other ones welded on. The other side, there's no primer on there, so it should be a quick and easy setup and weld. So that's pretty much it. After I get these things on here, then obviously I can paint them. So that being said, this is Razor Ray, just giving you guys a little more insight as to what we do around here. So again, everyone be safe out there, and I will be back when it comes time to paint these things. So see you guys later.